It is not okay for you to see your period 4 days this month, and the next month you see your period 3 days. The next month you see your period 2 days, and the other month you don't even see your period at all, and you just feel like, oh, it's normal. Like, you do not think it is something that you should look into. The period is a vital sign of every woman's body. It like is a checkmate. It tells us about your body. Your period actually lets you know how healthy you are. Your period actually help you know as a woman how your reproductive system is functioning. Period tells you a whole lot about your body. So it is wrong. Yes, it is wrong to not pay attention to it. So what are the common period problems that a lot of us women usually face? The first is irregular periods and painful periods. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you what irregular periods are, causes of irregular period, factors that actually causes irregular period, how we can actually deal with it, and I will also be recommending very, very good and very safe healthy treatment that has really, really helped me, and I've also recommended for women too. So do not go anywhere. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you do not miss out on any part. What are irregular periods? Irregular period is when your menstrual cycle changes. It's when your period comes too early. It's when your period comes too late. Or the worst part is when your period does not even come at all. So that is when you see you have an irregular period. That is, your period is not stable. So when it comes to our period, there are three parts of our bodies that work in conjunction with how our period comes. The first is the brain, the other one is the ovaries, and the other one is the uterus. So the brain is like the control center of everything. The ovaries are the hormones generating factor. They are the hormones generating factor. So when there is an imbalance in your hormone, but don't worry guys, stay tuned. We are getting somewhere, okay? And the uterus is a part that generates every month. It is the outflow. It is the part that actually brings out the results from the brain and the ovaries. So now let's get to what are those causes? What are those things that actually cause irregular menstruation, irregular periods? The first one is stress. Like, I'm sorry, but I cannot just start with anyone without mentioning stress. When you are stressed from work, family, from whatever, emotional stress, mental stress, even spiritual stress, any form of stress, it starts from the brain. Your whole body is going to be so destabilized. If a cycle is shorter than 24 days or more than 38 days long, but mind you, it is normal for your period to vary from month to month, to not be the same. If you are experiencing these things, if as a woman you are going through these stages, number one is puberty, number two is breastfeeding, you are a breastfeeding mom, or you are approaching menopause. So like I said, stress is a factor. Stress destabilizes your whole body. And if you remember what I said vividly, I said the three things that work in conjunction with how our period comes to play: the brain, the ovaries, the uterus. Like, once you are stressed, your whole body, your brain passes a message to the ovary, which could disrupt you from seeing your period that certain month. But two is hormonal imbalance. I just explained it. When you are stressed, your hormones will be imbalanced. Number three is birth control pills. No matter the form, no matter the kind, birth control pills, they stop ovulation, which is not really healthy for a woman. Like, it maxes your normal hormones, the way your normal hormones are supposed to be behaving, reproducing. It's just destabilizes, it imbalances everything. So you need to stay off from every contraceptive. You need to stay off from every contraceptive to understand what your body is saying. Except if you're married, then you and your partner already knows how your body works, except that. But if not, stay off from every contraceptive so you would understand how your body works. Other is weight loss. Weight loss also affects your period cycle. It affects your menstrual cycle. All of them too also falls back to your hormones. So weight loss too is another factor that you could be having irregular periods. Okay, so the reason why I'm actually listing out these things, it's so that you'll be aware of them, because a lot of ladies are not aware of them. It is not only when you are pregnant you can have irregular periods. You can also have irregular periods where you are not pregnant. So that is why I'm taking my time to list out the causes of irregular periods. So weight loss, once you find out that you've been stressed or you were sick and you are losing weight, it's just know that that particular month your cycle is going to be disturbed. Another thing that could cause irregular periods could also be a sign of other underlying like health condition like PCOS, that polycystic ovarian syndrome. This is a condition where small fluid filled sacs known as cysts develop in the ovaries, and they help to cause high testosterone levels, which can prevent or delay you from seeing your period. Because of the high testosterone levels that they produce, they can help to prevent or delay you from seeing your periods. These signs of this PCOS are acne. You're having series of acne. The other sign is excessive hair growth. You are having excessive hair growth. When I mean excessive hair growth, I don't mean that your hair is getting so long. Like you are having hair growth in some areas you're not supposed to have. Like for instance, you're having so much hairs on your chest, your jaws, your chin line, like the hairs are just so much. Insulin resistance, depression, stubble stain, or getting pregnant. So PCOS too is one very very big factor too that could also disturb or affect your period. So as a lady, just always try to make it an habit. Once in a month you try to just get a medical checkup, check your ovaries, do a scan, do a pelvic scan. You just know how your body is doing. Make sure that you make a gynecologist your friend so that you will get to understand your body and tackle every sign that you might be having. Eating disorder is another cause that you have irregular periods. Endometriosis. Endometriosis is when cells which usually grow inside the uterus is now beginning to grow outside. This is a serious sign that you actually need to see your doctor. So now what are the signs that you need to look into? The first is heavy period and you pass large blood cloth when you are on your period. Please, if you see these symptoms in your body or you are going through any of these symptoms, ensure to see your doctor. Do a scan. Another one is bleeding between periods. It will also affect you as a woman from getting pregnant. So these are the causes that could actually affect you as a woman to have irregular periods. Irregular periods are common, okay? Irregular periods are common and most times they do not really require treatment. You might want to see a doctor or actually tackle it with products if number one it is persistent and it has no cost. That means if it is always happening to you, you might want to see a doctor or take medications for it. Number two is if you have actually found out that it is related to a medical condition or a health condition. Another thing is if it occurs with symptoms. If you notice that you are seeing symptoms of serious pelvic pain, you're having serious pelvic pain, they need to see a doctor, you need to take medication for it. Another one is if you want to get pregnant. If you are trying to get pregnant, you need to see a doctor or do not just take it lightly. Okay, as a woman you want to make sure that at least every month just go for a scan, go for a pelvic scan, go see a gynecologist and just know what your body is saying. It is not when things become so serious or you have like a serious breakdown and you rush to the hospital and it's going to take like millions and hundreds of thousands from you. No, most of all these things could actually be avoided. Okay, so you want to make sure that you see doctor, you take a pelvic scan. Pelvic scan is very, very, very important for a woman. You want to make sure that you are taking a pelvic scan for it. Having irregular periods and you don't know what to take, you spend so much money, you spend so much medications, or you're having one thing or the other, I'm going to recommend these products for you to take right now. The first is the Hips Comfort. Like I said earlier, this one tackles irregular period. That's what it does. It tackles irregular period and every form of menstrual disorder. Number two is the M&V women. This one helps in balancing hormones. It helps support nail, hair, and skin growth. This is how it looks like. If you follow me for a while, I know that I've reviewed this product a lot on my channel. It helps for hormone balancing, and it's also easy to take. You just take it one capsule. You can take it for about 2 months. You just take it one capsule once in a day. You don't take it twice in a day. It is for hormonal imbalance. It will also help to support your skin. Number two is the Ganapharm. Ganapharm is a female health solution for PID. For women that are battling with PID, you have PID, these products will help. These products are not gummies, they are medicines, but they are easy to swallow. That one is Reishi. The Reishi is a very, very strong antibiotic solution. If you take this Reishi, it's going to bring out what you don't know that you have in your body. You will be surprised at what it's going to do for you. Number seven is the 7-layer sanitary pad. When you are on your period, when you're not on your period, you wear it. If you're having bad odor down there or smell down there, it will help to get rid of it. And you're having painful menstruation because it contains lavender mint in it. So it also help to ease that pain, and you're going to be like, you won't have itchy. Because back then, before I didn't know about this pad, whenever I'm on my period, I used to itch and itch and itch and itch. But guys, trust me, once I using this pad, you're going to get so addicted to it. One pack of the pad like this, so for the price of 3 5, but I can't remember how it is get 10 because I got 10 pieces. I don't know how much, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. I'm also going to leave all the prices too or for the products in the description box. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Right now, you know what irregular periods are, you know the causes, you know what to do if you're having these symptoms, and right now you know the right product to take to tackle any form of irregular periods. Please, as a lady, I have recommended before, do not wait till when something big happens to your body. Once in a while, you go to the hospital to carry out a pelvic scan. Just know what is going on in your body. As a lady, take your period cycle, your period very, very serious, because I've come in contact with a lady that she was like, she had not seen her period for the past 3 months. And I'm like, are you pregnant? She said, no. And you think it's normal? Really? Really? That was so, so bad. And she just felt like she didn't even take it serious. Please, ladies, women, please, let's take our period serious. Even our period hygiene. In my next video, I'm going to talk about period hygiene. If you want to see a period hygiene, or you want to keep seeing more educative videos like this concerning women's health, or if you want me to also talk about something else or recommend products for you that will help to you to navigate your health as a woman, come down to the comment section and leave it in the comments, and in no time you will get the video. Okay, the lady was comfortable with it, but she was beginning to have serious pelvic pain, and we found that it was actually PID. And I recommended this Ganapharm and this Reishi for her with the pad, and she took it, and it doesn't even the month didn't even end, and in just a week of just taking it, like, she saw her period for 5 days, and she knows that wow, something has left her. So it's very, very important as a woman to be very, very serious about your body. Don't just take your body lightly. Yes, you don't just focus on your outward appearance. Also be worried about what is happening to you inside. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found the video really helpful, please come down to the comment section to put it down in your comment. So guys, that is all about today's video. If you want to get any of these products that I have listed, it's going to be linked in my description box. Go to my description box for more info, for more inquiries. for more info, more inquiries. There's going to be a link that's going to direct you to me so you can ask every question. Please, only question related to what we just talked about in today's video, okay? If you've not liked me up to this point, what are you waiting for? Do well to like, subscribe, and share. Please share this video, guys. Share this video. There is a woman out there that really needs to know about this. There's somebody out there that needs to actually take her period really seriously, okay, and know what she can take to help herself, okay. Thank you guys once again for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me and watching up to the end. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. Always turn on your notification bell, okay. All right, guys, that'll be all for now. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.